Hey there everybody, welcome to the first video by me, Tyler, yes, better known as Tyler the Boss 13 on YouTube. Check out that channel if you have not seen it. I'm sitting at like 5,600 subscribers, the biggest channel on this network thing that we're running, but you know, that's fine. These are my homeboys, bros for life. Anyways, in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my brand new NZXT, I think it is, yeah. Phantom case, the black edition. I'll show the whole name, I'm sure. But basically, right now, yes, we're looking at a computer. What are we looking at? It's called my PC. Now, the computer I'm running right now, isn't the best computer, obviously. The graphics card is dying. Everything else is really good. Not like the motherboard, the processor, the RAM, like it's all good. Literally, just the graphics card is not, and like it's crap, literal crap. So yes. You could be asking the question, why don't I just buy a graphics card? It would cost like $500 instead of building what I'm like about to show you. Because I want something better. The processor I'm going to get in this computer is going to be twice as powerful as the one that I have right now. A little bit more RAM. I could have just used the RAM out of this one. But I want to keep this computer as my second computer. I'm still going to buy a graphics card for it eventually in like a couple months. But I'm going to keep it as my second computer, and then I'll have like two really good computers. But basically, let's just go into my PC. So we got the NZXT Phantom 410 series, black steel. So total price, I actually didn't pay that. It was on sale. I got the Asus ROG Pro Gaming Wi-Fi, Intel, you know, it's a good motherboard. We got the EVGA 750 watt. Full modular, because full modular is really good. We got the Intel Core i7 67K, which is a really, really good processor. If you don't know processors, and this is the performance. The average CPU mark is 10,000, almost 11,000, which, as you can see, is like the second best one. Mine just happened, the one I'm running right now, I believe is, it runs at, I think, about where that 6 core is right now. So that one's going to be a lot better. Price-wise, there's better. That's a really good price, except it's not the best, as you can see. Anyways, back to over here. Got that SSD because the SSD is very important. I've already ordered. Okay, so basically I'll go over what I've already ordered. I've ordered the Phantom series case. We ordered the motherboard, ordered the power supply, ordered the SSD, ordered the RAM, and I ordered the DVD drive. Everything else I'm still to order. So basically, going back into it, we got the SSD, we got the 16 gigabytes of Ripjaw RAM, we got the 2 terabyte hard drive, which I'm going to be ordering as well soon. We got the DVD burner, got the case fans. I'm thinking I'm going to go with the LED ones, but these ones are also very good. We got the Corsair Hydro Series cooler for the Intel i7. That's going to be very nice. And then this is the part I have to wait on, though. Okay, so I want the EVGA GeForce GTX 1060 SC Gaming. It's a very good graphics card. It's a 6 gigabyte graphics card running at a core clock of 1,607 megahertz. It's GDDR5. It's not the best bit, but it's good. It'll do me very good. It's tiny, but it's out of stock, unfortunately. I could do this one, except this one is $466. Lower core clock and lower boost clock. So why pay more for a worse graphics card? It just doesn't make sense, so I'm just going to wait. Basically, going back over to here, though, that's the only thing I'm waiting on. I actually ordered one of these the other day. Unfortunately, it didn't go through. I think PayPal messed up somewhere, so I ended up using a credit card, unfortunately. I don't like using credit cards, but came down to that. But basically, that's the computer I'm building. If you think it's a good computer, just leave a thumbs up. I personally think it's going to be a very godly computer. I'm very excited because my computer is not like that. Like, when I go to play games on this thing, it's going to be insane. Like, literally, it's going to feel like nothing I've ever felt before. Because I can run, like, FIFA, Minecraft, all that at, like, 120 frames. That's fine. CSGO, 120, 140, 160. But then you get into, like, Black Ops 3 on my computer. Medium settings at 50-ish FPS. Or, what's another one? Oh, the Need for Speed game, the new Need for Speed game that I have on Origin. Yeah, I can't even play it. Fallout 4, I can't even play it. I have those 2 games, I can't even play them. So this computer's going to be amazing. So stay tuned. Every part I get, I'm going to unbox it, show you guys. Then eventually we'll do a building video. So let's just jump into the unboxing of the Phantom case. God, it's heavy case. Oh, come on, case. I got the black edition as well, not the white one. Oh, come on now, case. Don't be stubborn. Don't be stubborn. Don't be stubborn. There you go. Come on. Oh my God, get out of the box. Alright, there we have it. About the height as my old computer. So let's just get the foam off of it for now. Put that back in the box. Alright, let's unbox this beauty and see how she looks. GG Phantom. Kaboom. Bada boom. Bada bing. Woo! Look at that. That is a beautiful looking case. I don't want to get my fingerprints all over it. It's so clean looking. Oh my God. Alrighty, so here it is out of the case. Got a boom, bada bing. Alright, so this is the primary side panel that it will be facing me. Very clean, pristine look. That Phantom look. You know, it kind of pops out at the top, pops out like right there. You can kind of see, don't mind a little dirty laundry. So this is our front panel here. Quite nice. So that's where, like, I'm assuming DVD all that's going to be. You gotta really click it in, oh my God. Got one front fan. I believe there's one top fan. Feel the plastic off the side of this. Oh, of course there's plastic on the inside too. So we got 2 USB 3.0s. I'm not sure what that up and down switch. I'll have to read like a manual or something if there's one. Audio, microphone, power, I'm assuming. I'm not sure what the other one does. The back has a fan already hooked up to it as well, which is nice. We got the power supply slot, the graphics card, the motherboard slots. I'm not really sure what these 2 rubber things are for, but let's get that side panel off. Hook up that tripod again. I rip off the side panel. Well, the one side panel that'll actually be coming off anyways, because PC build. So you gotta make sure you have your screws. Boom. Now inside the Phantom, it already has some cables, obviously, for the computer case itself. What do we have here? Basically, yes. I purchased the Phantom for a ton. Case. Beautiful, clean, enjoyable. Like it's a masterpiece at work here. What they build. Like, this case is beautiful. So we now have the Phantom case. It's already covered in fingerprints. I'll have to give it a clean before I build the PC. So we have the Phantom case.